Hi everyone and welcome back. It's Annie and today we are outside because guys, it has just been a beautiful day today. Got up to 70 degrees and spring is in the air and I'm loving it. All the flowers are blooming. Okay, so today we are unboxing another shoebox. ThredUP 15 pair mixed sizes. The cost of the box was $80. I did get this on sale with a discount minus $16. Shipping and handling $9.99, tax $4.99 for a total of $78.98. So that's going to average, what, about $5.25 a pair, somewhere around in there. And I'm sorry if you guys hear cars go by. I'm not right on the road, but not far from it. Okay. So I did open up the sides. I love days like this. I hate to be stuck inside working on my computer. So I said, I'm going outside to unbox this box. And you may hear some roosters, some birds, but I hope you don't mind it. Okay, that's just my receipt. And this one did come from Pennsylvania. I have not gotten one from Georgia in a while now. And I hope I don't get any from Arizona, because I've heard those have not been too great either. Let's see. The last one I got from Pennsylvania wasn't too bad. So, okay, right off the top here, I see a pair of Vans. And they are adorable, but they are dirty. Size 6.5 men, 8.0 women's. They have little butterflies, all different kinds of daisies. And here's the other one. They look pretty good. They just need cleaning. All right. Next, pair of sandals, which I need. These are aerosols, black sandals with a little bit of silver. Here's the other one. And these look kind of worn. So I don't know if I will give these to my local church. They give away free clothing. That's why I say church. Let's see. I don't see a size. Oh, 9.5. But these are dirty. They do need some cleaning. And they're a little bit too warm for me to sell. They're still very usable. Just a little bit too warm for me to sell. All right. Let's see here. Kohan. That's good. And these is like these look like a rain shoe. Here's the other one. And these appear to be in really good shape too. Just need some cleaning, wiping down. Let's see if I can find a size. Oh, these are Nike Air too. That's good. Always look for that Nike Air. Let's see if we can find a size up in here somewhere. Oh, here we are. These are a size, I think that says 10. Size 10. All right, so not bad. I'm happy about those. Let's get these out of the way. I don't know what these are. These are like something that maybe came from Made in China, AliExpress or something like that. So I probably will not sell those. The yellow flip-flop. I saw a lot of people getting these type of shoes in their fun boxes. They must have had a lot of those. All right. Let's see what these are. Sapun, S-A-P-P-U-N. Made in Korea. These feel really, they feel like real leather. But I have not ever heard of that brand before. Have you guys? I will definitely research that. That is the, you guys can see that. kind of a, oh, and then these do have, see that blue? I hope you guys can see that. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell these if I can't get that off or not. But we shall see. Chelsea boots. Now I have gotten, let's see if they're the same brand. And I just sold. Was it Casson? I don't know if that, no, these are a New Day. But they look a lot like those boots I just sold. These are a size 9. And they just need some wiping down, but other than that, they appear to be in really good shape. And somebody is target shooting. Y'all heard that? I'm sorry. I do live in the country. Okay. Oh, boy. I can get these rubber bands off. I think. Ah. Okay, guys, I just wanted to make sure before I said anything. But yeah, they're right here on the bottom. Martens, the original. They do make fakes of these. I just wanted to make sure. And they are kind of a grayish white. That's pretty good. Air weight. And these look to be in really good shape. They are size 9. 1460 Pascal HDW. And these do have some scuffs, but that should be pretty easy to get off. Some scuffs along here. And this is only my second time ever getting Martens. So, excited about those. Okay. Oh, I'm dropping everything on the ground. I got a little table over here, but it's filling up pretty fast. All right. Dova Sandal. And these do appear to have, I don't know, I might could get some. They do appear to have a lot of nicks and stuff in it, but I don't know. And the toe print looks kind of dirty. I know you can clean that, but I don't know. We'll see about these. I don't know if I'll list these or not. Let's see if they have a size. Nope, I don't see a size. Probably used to be on that tag right there, which is worn off, but that is a wood heel. But I really don't know if I'll be able to sell these or not. We'll see. All right. Charles by Charles David. Pair of very high heels. And these are a size 8.5 medium, and they appear to be in pretty good shape, which is good. These are the bottoms. I'm excited about those. Okay. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is the first time I have ever gotten Birkenstock. And I was just telling, who was I telling the other day that I have never gotten on somebody's video, that I had never gotten Birkenstock. And I finally got them, and these appear to be in really good shape. But of course we have to make sure they're real. What do you guys think? I do see a code in there. It's right here in the footbed. It says 0077. Now let's see if there's a size. Looking at me right in the face, guys. I swear sometimes. Okay. 38. So now I might have to try these on myself. But I'm excited about those. Excited about a lot of these shoes in here. It's been pretty good. Can't complain. Alright. Soft. I still can't pronounce that one right. And these are a size 9.5. Good sizes too, I must say. And these appear to be in good shape. All right, not bad, not bad. Oh, a pair of Toms, which I love my Toms now. I love Toms. But these are really small. Size 7. They're a little smaller than a 7. But these look pretty worn. So I don't know what I'll do with those. I mean, I might just donate them, but at the same time, I mean, they might be trashed. The bottom is really, looks like it's about to split. Okay, then we have some boots. Let's see, these look like a pair of sock booties. Let's go ahead and do these. These are neat wiping down really good. Tyron Rose. Never heard of it. Have you guys? Tyron Rose. 8 medium. Made in China, so I don't know. And these also have some damage. I can see on the, yeah. So I will not sell those. They seem to have some damage. Yeah, really worn. So I don't know. We'll see about those. But have you guys ever heard of that before? Watch it be something really good. And then I can't sell it. Alright, we have a pair of boots, which I will save these till the fall and winter probably. Oh, these are Geots. Geots, which is really good. I don't know if this is how this is supposed to look, but it looks kind of warm. But that, I mean, that may be right there. That may just be the style. I'll have to look it up. It almost looks like it's meant to be there, so we'll see. Heel looks good. Oh, those are really cool. Let's see what size they are. Size 38. And what is 38? Is that an 8 or a 9? Or am I totally off on that? I think it's an 8 or a 9. You hear my woodpecker? Alright. So we'll look those over some more and see if that's the way they're supposed to look or if they are in fact damaged. We'll do some more research on that. But that's a good brand. Some of them can do really good. Alrighty. Boy, we got some chunky boots here. Ooh, knee, above the knee. I think these come just above the knee. These used to be real popular back in the 90s. They used to be a thing. And I think they have made a comeback. But let's see what these are. They're in good shape. They just got a little bit of, like somebody walked in the rain with them. Just needs cleaning up. But let's open these up. Da-da-da, and see what they are. Okay, I see a code here, style number. Let's see if there is a name. Okay. Let's see. This is without my ring glasses. Kadina. Kadina. Guys, ever heard of that? I haven't. Kadina. But they seem to be well made. It's like a suede. Oh, hold on. Yep. Kadina. Kadina. And then it's got some like Japanese symbols. So there's another one I need to look up. This is a very good way to learn some new brands, and some of these brands y'all may already know about that I haven't heard about, but that's the fun thing about these boxes. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this box. What did you think? I thought it was a really good box. Doc Martens. My first time getting Birkenstock, which I'm excited about. I may keep those for myself. And the Cole Haan. So I think this was a really good box. I'm very happy about it. All right, until next time, guys, and I do have some more boxes on the way, so stay tuned for that. But let me know in the comments below what was your favorite pair, and until next time, bye.